Guys, let's just unpack on news Galo, the season finale of The Real Housewives of Devon, season 5. I guess it was like episode 12 now. I did episode 11, guys, last week. If you always on this channel, you'll know because it was there for at least 3 days. Now someone comes now today, uzothi you all over the place because I don't say one story, ngisho story iningi kodwa almost similar to each other. Hi sisters, aqhamuke. Remember I once said to you, if you're not strong on YouTube, you won't survive. Especially because you're gonna go my Twitter, abantu they are dragged there like mobs. But we go strong to survive. Me, I'm not going to be put down by your sisters because I've said it on my other channel. What's the T? Siyahlaziya ikhuluma nje kuphela about crime. The channel, it's mostly sense of me you are in a bit of maybe AKA and tips there in other cases. I've said it on the channel. Someone was also like this. You know those people, umuntu wakhona is never really on this channel to support me. Ufika for the day and then come and tell me how I must run my channel. You must tell me what I must do. Ufuna untando mdletshelwe ezomtshala wethu get off. Guys, we are here to be Richard. You don't come to my channel uzongitshela who I am without my consent. Uzothi wena ngimina ena the stories that I was doing here were all over the place. And then you ask yourself, if it was all over the place, why does it have more than 100 views for a small channel like me? You go about a lot. Look at that now as a person. Yeah, so how was I all over the place? I don't know. Angazi noma nibonile nontando the other day naye ushilo futhi ku-channel yakho ukuthi abantu abayeke guys, akukho right. Uma uku-channel umuntu, it's because you like that person and you're trying to build them. This is not building me. Ngoba ngiyi-understand into yokuthi how am I all over the place. Yazi ukuthi ubukela iy'tori zikaba zakho ntando owami bese uzobukela uSims Right. Sims Right stories. Akenzi stories one in one go, enza stories 3 minutes. And another thing, YouTube does not necessarily pay you if your story is less than 10 minutes. There's no money there. I mean, I'm not even paid for this channel. Ukuthi ngazoxhatshazwa. Akekho umuntu ozongixhaphaza on my own channel. Those are crazy things, guys. That's not right. It's not on. It's uncalled for. Yeah. And ezinye izinto, you want to leave them, but at the same time, please address them. Ubatshela abantu ukuthi no, you can't come to my channel and be this person. Like it's just like I'm baffled by this. I'm like, when a person is telling you something, it seems like but you're like, no, there's nothing here. This person is not building me. I'm going to criticize and there's nothing for there to criticize. I don't do one story, man, if you've noticed. It's a go. And it's very rare that I talk for 5 minutes. Very rare, actually. My stories, if you can go to my other channel, what's the T? They start from 9 minutes upwards. The shortest story there is like 5 minutes, and which is like, it happens like once in a while. If you've heard me, who hasn't said 3 or 4 in one go? Futhi Sims Right, actually, is the right person for this. Usims Right ngizomubona ekhuluma ngento eyodwa. This is why videos are longer. Any YouTube funa longer videos. I'm teaching you because I was saying the other day, actually not the other day, since December, if you want to open your own YouTube channel, the challenge will advertise for a month. I've been on the game now. This is my 3rd year. So I know what's going on. I know what's happening. I know how you paid. I know how you, because my one channel is paying me. And nakhona ngahlukumezeka, ngaxhaphazeka. But ngabekezela. That's how life is. I was demonetized on my other channel. What's the T? Last year, April. I've just been paid now in March. That's the only channel that's paying me. So angeke ngize ngikwazi ukuxhashazwa abantu amaxoxo. Ubabiza kanjalo phela. Uya kule channel. Unontando ushilo the other day. Ukuthi uphuma la ungenela. Like, why would you do that? And I had a full video talking about that in March. Ukuthi abantu fanele bayeke leyo nto. Ayikho right. Support a person because you love them, you love how they speak. Plus, my videos mostly, I speak fluent isiZulu in them. and I speak English. One day, omunye wabafika ku-What's the Tea, sengiyangixoxela nje la ku-News Galo, wathi ne-English yakho futhi ayizwakali kahle. Ngathi mina ngithwe no George. Yeah, you created English. Yeah, so you speak well. Just leave me alone. Uhambe uyokhuluma English yakho wherever. This is not about you. This is about how I'm relating the story. I don't give two hoots what you are saying. Guys, people miss it every time. When we are on YouTube, we are just narrating stories, lana, gossip here and then footly, gossip channel News Galo 4 days. Your reality shows, your gossip, please, guys, please. Ngiyacelela nje mina ngiyacelela kahle nje. Yeah, ayikabi. So, I was still saying ukuthi i-Housewives what happened last week. Like I'm saying ukuthi if you are a book channel, you'll know ukuthi episode 11 was on YouTube for 3 days. Ngawukhipha because I had some issues there around that, which I'm not going to get into because there was something that wasn't right with the video ngayikhipha. So manje ngizokhuluma kodwa nge-season finale. I'm not gonna stop talking about it ngoba ngisaba sami wani ongisabisayo on my own YouTube. Uyazokazi ukuthi sihlukumeza kanjani thina elifeni. You don't even know what I've been through nge-YouTube. Uvela ufike wena. Cabanga ukuthi nje this is nice, this is easy. This YouTube is not easy. Yeah, it's not at all. I've just told you now that I was demonetized at some stage. Some things will be explaining it because I've explained this at least 3 times on both my channels why I was demonetized. For a year, guys, for a year, put every day you post, and then you get people who about yourself. Like honestly, guys, I mean, that's crazy. So I was still saying, how it started. They were actually at some pool party. Kwafika this gay guy, umngani kaLundi, and then Lundi wala lapho nomini, and then I said to Mini, guys, for me, I just feel good. She's toxic, this lady. Yes, we need the drama. We needed her just as much as she's not necessarily a housewife, but she was there, and then a group party mainly elwisa uLundi. So this guy was just like, listen here, when this is my friend who's well known. Who are you? Wazoba when? So umini besahleli kula yonto futhi ukuthi uLundi said, who are your parents? Who are your parents? Who knows your parents? Ukuyibona le nto le. And then uthi mini, I want Lundi to apologize to me ngale yonto. But guys, ikhona into engazi apologizele lapho. Ukuthi ngathi ngama-parents akho uba ama-parents akho azobani. Uyabo le nto le belweni nalento ukuthi uLundi uthi mina wazoba wena futhi as a person ngoba mina ngiyatrenda inini. Uyawazi uLundi, I even said ukuthi Lundi has like 2 million followers in Instagram. Those are the things she believes in, and it works for her. Uzwa too many. So now mina ke uzongitshela umuntu otrendayo. Uyabo le nto le. So I'm just like, these ladies, Baba too, they will never get along, and it's fine. And also, what's crazy is that they not necessarily the housewives. I thought they were friends of the show. Futhi bengimangele friend of a show. I try ukuya in an international trip, in any trip for that matter. But they'll go to like short trips and like lunches and all of that around Mhlambe KZN. I had never seen a friend of a show going to, for example, when they went to Mauritius now. So when they get to Mauritius, isn't they cracking between Jojo and umngani wakhe uNonko? Before I even get to how Nonko's friendship and Jojo has been, I've said a lot around that. So my thing is that uNonko, I just don't like the thing yakhe yokufuna ukucontrola abantu. It's not just about Jojo. Guys, I've said it many times on this channel and the other channel ukuthi musuku foster abantu. Mina, for example, I'm very respectful around people's beliefs in general. Mo Sangoma, I respect you. uma ufuna ukuthandaza or ufuna ukwenza both, like how Slee used to do both, I respect you. Don't criticize people's things. It's not right. You don't know where people are coming from. And I've always said you don't know people's dynamics. Why do you think you have an upper hand of saying people's stuff? Just because uzobe I'm a born again, but born again futhi nami, for example, ephuzayo ngiyayiqala. Ngiyayibona ngoNkulunkulu. I'm a born again, and then she wants to instill that on Jojo and force her. Look, guys, you can't do that. And Jojo has supported her around the lento yakhe your collar. Let me put it that way. Yes, empapatisa at some stage and force that, guys. You can't do that. That's not right. And uJojo naye ngifila ukuthi akanawo umgogotla ome kahle. Awukho straight. Her backbone is crazy because she's the type of a person manje ongathi uncenga umngane. Esikhala, khalela umngane. For someone who walked off on you at the beach, why would you follow that person? Just leave them to cool down. Unyamgijimisa after kuwembizile uJojo wathi hawu ngeke ngibone wena uhleka when I was talking about religion and how I pray in all that whole thing. Let's pray for something, and then wahleka. What's it to Jojo Haibo? What does that even mean? Because I've always been there when it comes to call wako. I've never had a problem with it. So ufunan, I tell you, my friend ngempela na. Wena Andy, do you even believe? Actually, ngifeel ukuthi kufanele usindiswe. Hayi guys, we can't go on like that. Asindiswe just because why? She must be saved. Why? She doesn't want to talk about it. Like I'm saying ukuthi bakhona abantu abangathandi ukukhuluma too much. Mina normally on my channel angithanda ukukhuluma kakhulu nge-religion ngoba it's a trigger for other people and politics. If you've noticed, I really say much around it. So uJojo, I think she's the same person. Akathandi ukuthi angenelele, but uyakurespect ukuthi you in that thing. But ungamforce umhlanyele, akayifundi lezo zinto uJojo. So I was still telling you about uMini. uMini ke usabhizi nale nto kababa wakhe nobaba wakhe abazali basically ukuthi uthe uLundi uba wena ubani abazali bakho kuba leyo nto leyo uthi fanele ba-apologize. How can I apologize to someone's parents engabazi, for example, or to you for something engishilo ekanjalo? That doesn't even make sense to me, guys. You can comment and let me know how you feel about that. But I was just like, I can't. It's crazy. Why? Would I apologize for into kanjalo? So they had like meetings about it, and then it just was never really resolved. That is why these two, uLondelanda and Nomini, they will never be friends, those people. I'm not sure what is Mini's problem around Ulondi. I've never understood it. Both of them, they're not real housewives. They were visiting the show, but ufikala uzoba uhlanya. And then I realized futhi ukuthi uMini unama tactics snake. Can't they are friends? I was just like, they're actually the same person though. They're so toxic. Oh my word. I'm just like abantu abanjani laba. Oh my gosh, like Nifana, exactly, I saw them bekuluma. I was like, okay, as we are actually the same person. So Sisike, they were in a boat, some Noah's Ark boats, those really nice olden boats. I like that boat. Yeah, you know how they are. They believe in fleshy things now, all of a sudden. That boat, actually, there's nothing wrong with it. It was such a nice boat. Oh my word, I was just like, well, this boat is nice. So bakule boat uraiti, they're talking, there's food normally, you know how it is. And then uSorisha had a meeting with uLondi. Ukuthi Londi, in that time, mina nje mina angangifuni Sorisha. Ayikho futhi into engayenza, but nje ngiyafisa ke kodwa ke like you saying ukuthi nama twins phane ngixolise kuona, because I think we got off on the wrong start, but we can have a talk with the twins. So the twins came. Qale kwangathi kuba heated yabona. Lelinye twin nokuyilona that's supposed to be on the housewife, but manje nosisi wakhe is tagging along every time. Now I'm just like, whatever guys, you know. So they're talking there's no problem. And then uLonda xoliseke ema twins. Ngaleso sikhathi usisi wakhe ufake i-G-string eBayberry. Some baby registering guys no bra. I'm just like, oh Londa basabi. Guys, isn't I'm like the outside, everything is outside. But I guess the occasion maybe ibifuna ube kanjalo. and then bahagane-ke nama-twins kube right nama-twins yena no-Minnie izinto zisale zilenga kanjalo. You remember Jojo gave the ladies bags, right? Some bags in Jena, some cheap bags. That's how the ladies feel. Because when they went to the Noah's Ark boat, wasn't anyone who was carrying the bag, and they were just asking Uguti, busy, eligibility, Usorisha, Ena. She's carrying a MS bag, and then she doesn't understand Uguti, why would she carry anything else? It was actually a bag in. I mean, business MS. It was a bag in. She's like, hey, like who's gonna be carrying that bag? And then even the twins are like, oh, why? You know? But my thing is that, what I picked up about that is that Jojo is not into bags, guys. And if you've noticed, I don't know, I'm seeing her, she's not into brands. You must just look at the dress that she was wearing when she was with Nonko. Some dress which had flowers. Yes, she's expensive now and then, you can see. Even her house is crazy. But some people don't. She even said it. Good to know. What is important to me is love. And then I can do other things with money. There are people who believe in that, who don't believe in brands, you know, but dressing up how they want, and it doesn't do anything. Because, I mean, really, guys, like carrying a 40,000 rands bag, what does it do? And most people who actually carry bags like that have nothing. I'm just like, they don't even have houses. But you're carrying a bag for 40,000. Why? Why? There's other things, guys. That's what Jojo is trying to tell us. And I actually was happy with that comment from her. It's family and love, like carrying a 40,000 rands bag. How does that even do anything for me? You know, besides that, the husband is rich and all of that. She's not into those things, Ujojo. And it's fine, guys. It's just too many of them also fake. Like Ujojo was saying, it was an example. Lo mngani wabo on season 3. Season 2 na bemhleka uMabusi. So that also came up. Guys, it's fine. It's fine. It's all right. Yeah. And mafuna ukuyesentini uyothenga ku Diamond Walk for 200,000 a day. It's fine. So man, I've always said it's not my thing. I'm almost like Ujojo. I'm not into those things as kanjalo. I like a brand here and there, but couldn't ezinye izinto feel ukuthi lo 40,000 I would have done so much in the house with it instead of land baking. There's some baking for 40,000 rands. I'm just like, I'm done. And then the ladies had a dinner, like a final dinner. They were dressed to the T, all of them. I just feel like I'm saying, we have different styles, guys. Just leave people to be, you know? And stop criticizing people. Like the twins. The twins, guys, are in their own level, but they have a brand. I'm just like, it's fine. They have their own clothing brand, maybe let's put it that way. But they just believe in what they believe in. It's for them, and it's fine. I like the twins, actually. So they are sitting at the dinner, and then there's these notes that are being passed around. And at first, the Konamanyama notes that came, and those notes on episode 11, they were more of something that would be written by Ujojo Mhlambe mixed with Sorisha and Nonku in one. You understand? So aqale kafunde nje ama-notes akwaziwa ngizwe inote iqhamuka bani. But guys, mina ngokwami, I don't know, you must just tell me if you did watch the season finale. That note came from Minnie, the one that was written to Nonku, and we don't even know what was in that note. And I get it now why Nonku, about 2 weeks ago, here on social, she was like, she's done. This is actually not who she is. She became another person on the Real Housewives of Durban, and it's toxic for her. She's done. Nobody say actually, just you have a life, you have actually a good life. But also Nonku travels a lot. She has the money. She's fine in life. So my thing is there's you don't have to do. Finding you needed some fame now, Instagram, but you needed that. But man, it's time to let go and move on with other things in life. So I think I get it now when she said, because they had already done the shoot, and it's can't see on Friday, but they had already done it, the shoot. This is it, I'm done. So that note made her so upset She was swearing like you've never seen in your life. Elahlele izinto phansi ehlanyela ngisho production. I was just like, guys, even not production as such, but more of the cameraman, you know. Ebahlanyela ama-cameraman esembamba. I was like, you need to calm down, sissy. Whatever that note was saying, I think it's about that note. It was actually a trigger for Ronongo. It took her to other places where she didn't want to be, but she was, and she needed to go na lento ukuthi you know what, let me cry, let me take everything out. Akasazi kumngani wakho uJojo ukuthi enzeni naye, awuseyahlanye uNonkulu. uJojo now at the same time ngoba dizwa abantu bembiza i-backup singer and she has no backbone and uyancengela kule relationship and what's going on with her. Ukubona akakwazi ukuzimela. What's up with her? She's always looking for abangani babantu abamnyama. Sibekeni kanjalo. Yini inkinga yakhe? Ngoba manje she's also into law now. You just like, guys, even you need to stand up on your own. You don't need people at some stage. Like you're gonna have to be okay on your own. You know, that's just my thing. No bube wako anyways. You know, you don't necessarily need friends. uNonku guys went crazy. Wahlanya ilahlela amatafula phansi. Oh, that was a trigger for her. I was just like, what happened to Nonku guys? Kwenzakalani why Nonku ekwate kanje elifini ile ya later of a note of inganekwane and that they wrote on that small note. Mina ngifela ukuthi leya note ibiqhamuka kumini ngoba you know what's crazy about that, as she's going crazy isho asithi nje iproduction iloku iveza isithombe sikamini ngathi wena ubhalile la note I'm sure wanda ukuthi utheni kuNonkulu. So guys, sokwesimele lapho kancane sizolinda i-reunion esingayazi ukuthi yoba ngamuphi unyaka, because at times we wait forever for the reunion. Sometimes we don't wait that long, but asilindeni guys i-reunion. But nje uMini akangabuyi, uLondi I think akabe bhindizini business lakhe and other things zakhe angabuyi ngoba naye uyakwazi ukutrigger abantu. She's not any better, uMini is not any better. I just feel ukuthi both of them are actually toxic for this show. Just as much as we do need drama, but ikhona new drama man. Ikhona new drama. O feel ukuthi no le is so unnecessary, we didn't need, like when she brought that gay guy umngani wakhe esihlanyela uMini, and uMini wanted to trap him ke. uMini wayesefuna ukushaya ibhodlela. She was like akangazi kahle lo. Konje ubanike wena konje ubumenye ubani. Fine, we needed him naye vola baletha kama-gay now and then. We need that thing. But there was no need. The stuff now she was saying about uMini like Durban abakwazi. Please. Khona ama-circles amazi uMini and it's right. And it doesn't matter ukuthi wena umazi. People just don't get it. They just think everything is about them. Like low figure la kule YouTube channel wazongitshela who I am. So malapho guys, thank you so much for appreciating me. Ngithanda over. Thank you.